Hey, today we are going to give this girl a makeover. I got this doll from the thrift store a couple of weeks ago and I have not get the chance to fix her. She doesn't really have major issue. The biggest problem she's having is hair problem. She had very dry hair and apparently her hair has been cut by the previous owner, so you can see the hair right at the top has been cut, it's shorter. Same goes with the side. And also this part of her hair, you can see has been cut. And also some bigs at the back of her hair. So I'll see if I could try to fix it. Unfortunately, I do not have any rerooting tools at home, so I'm not going to do any rerooting on this doll. And this doll is wearing this outfit. And this outfit isn't from Barbie, it is from some other dolls. And inside this clothes, there's actually a tag written Lucky Industrial, and I go and look up online and it seems like it is the vintage clone knockoff Barbie clothes. But this dress is cute. I'll see if I could clean this dirty spot, so it look yellow now. I'll see if I could clean this outfit. And she is having a bit of indentation on the finger right here and a little bit of stain on her feet. And let's get on to the makeover. I start by brushing her hair, and her hair is quite easy to brush through. It is not as tangled as the one that I did before, and as you can see, she's losing some hair from brushing. And now we need to clean this doll. I use an old toothbrush and some soap to clean her whole body, then rinse it off with running water. After washing her body, we need to work on her hair. I start by putting some shampoo on her hair, rub it in, and then rinse off. I then put a generous amount of conditioner onto her hair. I brush her hair with conditioner in, and after brushing her hair, I rinse it off with water. Then I do the hot boiling method by dipping her hair into hot boiling water to remove some frizz and also at the same time straighten it. Here's her hair after hot boiling, definitely looking shinier than before. While brushing her hair, I realized that she has some bald spot. I tried to clean the cloak that she came with. I started by removing some thread that is stuck on the velcro and I cut off some loose thread. I then washed the clothes with some soap and water and brushed it with a toothbrush. I tried to remove the stain, but it didn't work. I also tried to use a laundry detergent, but still the stain is still there. Did anyone have any tips on removing those stains? Then, I use nail polish remover to remove the stain on the shoulder and feet. Luckily, those aren't stubborn stain and can easily be removed. Okay, terrible things happened. I was boiling a pot of water and a doll's head that is already dry accidentally touched the pot and it burned. The pot was hot. By the time I noticed it, it was too late. This is her hair after it gets burned. I was very sad. Definitely need to be more careful next time. Her hair became very frizzy and damaged. I tried to fix it. I brushed her hair for hours, section by sections, and doing the hot boiling method for several times. And this is how she looked like now. As you can see, the length of her hair is shorter because I trimmed her hair, and she is also losing tons of hair from brushing. No choice, but I have to curl her hair to increase the volume and hide some frizzy end. I used the straw method to curl her hair and secure it with bobby pin. I let her hair air dry for 24 hours, and now her hair is completely dry. I'm removing those straws and bobby pin from her hair. Her hair still feels frizzy, but I think with a bit of styling, she will look better. I had tried couples of outfit on her and I think this outfit looked the best. How do you think? Or do you have any other suggestions? You can leave a comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.